Ever have your mind blown while buttering a dinner roll? Because that's exactly what happened when Manoj, the Carnival Celebration's resident magician, appeared on our table with nothing but a deck of cards, a sly grin, and a whole lot of mystery. While we were having dinner, desserts, and swapping cruise stories, Manoj would glide in like a breeze and leave us stunned. Coins vanished, cards reappeared, and somehow, he made Matthew's phone appear out of thin air. We still don't know how he did it. But the real showstopper came at the end of the week. Manoj took the stage for his full magic show, and let me tell you, it was electric. The crowd was buzzing, the lights were low, and then he called up Matthew. Yup, our very own Matthew from LaPorte Adventures, right there under the spotlight. And what happened next? Well, keep watching to find out.
I know, it's a long time.
That had to be on the table. That had to have been on the table. I know.
I know, it's a long time.
That had to be on the table. I'm questioning myself now.
Steal something from me.
Trust me, I don't take anything from the kids, only from the big kids.
He's a kid.
Oh my God.
Don't be jealous.
I'm an adult.
I'm sorry, sir. Do you know her? Funny. Okay, kid. Have I did anything? The card disappeared. Have I did that trick for you?
No, why that I shuffle?
No, that's a different trick. Yeah, making the card disappear. No? Because I don't do that. Anyway, kid, can you say stop, please?
Stop. It was me, Andrew.
Sorry, all right.
Do it again.
Okay. He's very angry. I'm sorry, sir. Okay, kid, stop.
Stop.
Thank you, kid. Take that card. Take it.
Don't touch it.
Show the card to everyone.
Show everybody.
Show everybody you said.
Did you see the card?
Show it. Done.
Hurry, I can't see anything. I didn't see it.
Okay.
Yes? Give back the card to me, please.
Wait for
It's face down, right? I cannot see the card, right?
Yes.
No.
Okay, then it's nice. Because last night someone gave the face down. Okay, let me do this. The trick is very simple. We are going to find your card magically on count of 3. When I say 1, 2, and 3, your card is on top. Do you believe it?
Yes.
Yeah, no choice, right? That's yeah. But when I say 1, 2, and a snap watch, your card is on top. Watch. This one?
No, not it.
No, I didn't see it. Bye-bye.
No? Then that's not my fault, that's your fault, ma'am. You picked the wrong card, not me. Okay, I'm just kidding. I close the card, I just keep it right here. Just keep your finger on top, sir.
No way.
No way.
Can your finger? It's a family show.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry.
Watch, you don't select any other card, right? You selected that watch a snap. It's all different, not the same one. Take the card, show the card to
Now you're
everyone.
bullshitting.
And
No,
flip it, flip it.
watch your language.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's a card right there too. It's good. It's not amazing. I do amazing. Open your hands for me, baby boy. Like that. Okay, cover it on top. This, I know. Watch. If I take one card, if that's your card, it's a good trick, right?
Yeah.
That's not. I cannot do it. I do one more time. I take one more card like this. I wave it a tap. That's your card. No, it's good, but that's not amazing. I can do more amazing for you guys. Watch.
Yes, do it.
If I'm going to make the rest of the card disappear without touching it, will you be surprised? Yeah, me too. I'll be surprised too. When I say 1, 2, tap, the deck disappeared. If you don't trust me, open your hand, please. Yeah, I'm surprised too. Yeah, wait. I cheat. But wait, but I know. Look at the kid. She's like, pick me. I'll pick you. Okay, yeah. Watch here. Let me do this, my favorite one. I'm going to make the 4 coins vanish one by one magically from the left hand to the right hand like this, okay? From the left to the right, I'm going to do it without touching the coins. So that's a beautiful part. I don't know, you can see me from there, 4 coins. My suit, I cannot bend more than that. I close the 4 coins, then I close my right hand. I didn't do it, right? Watch, my sleeve is up. I do that. Now that's become 3. And that's become 1. I do very slowly. Open your hands for me, please. Okay, your baby, yes, that's nice. Okay,
No,
second time, you can serve the food, it's fine.
It's gonna appear. It's gonna
Okay.
appear in
I'm
your
watching.
hand.
Let's,
No
me
way.
too, sir.
No
I wash
way.
myself.
No
Okay,
way.
you know that I have a girlfriend. I'm sorry. I do this right there, do it right there. 3 coins, that's 1 right there. Was 3 and 1?
Yeah.
That's 2. That's 2.
What the heck?
Did you feel it, man?
Yes, I felt it.
Then you're magical. You get free water too.
felt it.
Yes. Wait, I do one more time. Wash.
What the heck?
Okay.
And I
You
felt
want to
it.
see the kid? Let me do one kid. Let me do one for the kid.
Yay!
No, and I felt it. Dropping.
Wait, I do slowly so you can see. Keep it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch here. Nothing under the sleeve or nothing under the wash or nothing like that. Oh, don't put it down. But I take a coin like this. Close your hands tight. Upside down on the table. Wait, if I take a coin, you should have 3 coins, right? But wait, if I make this one vanishes like this,
Okay.
open your hands right there. That's 2 coins too.
I call that.
Look at his face. He's like in shock too.
Wow.
He's like, how do you? He's like, how do you?
I don't know. Can I stand here?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm watching. No
Can
problem.
you get your hands? Yes, right. Open your hands for me.
He's gonna grade him.
I don't know. You want to move the camera towards me?
It gets everything.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Then. Okay.
It does
I don't want
everywhere.
to miss me. Okay. Put it on Instagram. Tag me. Okay. 4 coins watch. I take that 4 coins watch. Did you feel that? Watch. 1, 2, 3. Do you know the 4th, right? Big gold. The coin. Oh, no sleeve. Oh, wait. Slowly under your watch, man. No. Yes, under the watch.
Oh my God!
Goodness.
Thank you. Enjoy your night. Thank you so much.
Come back every night. What happened? That's your quick clock.
Yeah. Enjoy. Have a great night. No, nothing from your pocket, sir. Okay. I'll catch you tomorrow. Enjoy. Thank you.
Mano continued to entertain us for several of our dinners throughout the trip. It was a lot of fun seeing Mano entertain us with his magic and tricks. He invited us to watch his on-stage performance at the end of the week.
I'm surprised too. Yeah, thank God. Yeah, oh yes, the video. I'm a skinny guy, but I can play. Okay. Okay, what is your name, man? Do not open your eyes till I say. Do not open your eyes till I say. Open your eyes.
Open your eyes.
Yes, ma'am.
I open my eyes.
Yes. You felt a slight touch in your face. Which part of your face? Where did you felt it? Which part of your face? Yeah, I didn't touch you. I touched your mouth.
Talk about.
Are you serious?
I'm serious, trust me. Okay, wait, I'm coming next to you. Wait. Let me do one second. Okay, you both of you keep your hands like this.
What is that?
Don't touch it. Don't touch it like this, kid. Are you left or right-handed?
Right.
You're right-handed? What about you, man? You right? Okay, both of you keep your left hand straight. Put your right hand down. Like this. Stay there. I'm doing the kid. Okay, kid, what is your name? Put your hand down. Close your eyes. Don't open your eyes till I say. Close your eyes. Don't open your eyes till I say. Don't give any reaction in your face. Open your eyes. You felt a slight touch in your arm? Where did you felt it? No. Now I can keep your left hand on the table. Okay. Wait, let me this one. How do you know that? Your friend? No. Yeah, your friends? Your friends?
Yes.
I'm surprised too. Thank you.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. I'm not surprised. You can take me home if you want. No problem. Yeah. I think she likes me. I know I'm cute, but anyway. Okay. Anyway, you guys enjoy.
Oh my God.
I know, I cannot believe this. It worked. Okay, anyway. You guys enjoy. Feel free, come and watch my show.
When?
I have a show on Friday, 2 o'clock on the theater, Grand Spectrum. Theater. I will be there. And other than that,
We ended up going to Manoj's magic show at the end of the week, and it did not disappoint.
Yeah, because it's my life. You don't really care, right? Anyway, okay, that's fine. One more time, your name, please. Kayla. Good memory. I just want to say that joke. I'm sorry, Kayla. I just entertaining myself. Then you're going to miss the bat. Then we're going to start playing the game. Ready? Can you stand on the front of the table, facing our amazing audience? One step forward, while I'm mixing style of dance. I don't have any more moves. You done? You done mixing? Ma'am, I think you didn't understand it. Do you want to change your mind? It's a choice. Your teacher is trying to be nice, that's fine. But yeah, thank you so much, Fanika. Give a big round of applause. She did a great job. Thank you. Matthew, nice to meet you, baby boy. Give a big round of applause for them, please. Okay, right there. Baby boy, sit right here. Do you know each other? That's good. Okay. Okay, great. Okay, anyway. Can I put your chair a little closer if you don't mind, sir? Thank you, you did a great job. Relax, let's relax on this chair. For next couple of minutes, I want to be quiet so you'll have a wonderful time right here. You look at me right here, you look at me, baby boy. I'm going to count from 5 to 1. When I say 1, I want you to close your eyes. Do not open your eyes till I say. Do not open your eyes till I say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close your eyes. Do not open your eyes till I say. Focus on my voice and my voice only. Do not listen to anything other than my voice. I want both of you to breathe in slowly with your nose. Stop for a second and breathe out slowly. One more time, breathe in slowly, please. Stop for a second and breathe out slowly. Every time you're breathing in and breathing out, let your mind and body relax completely from the top of your head to the bottom of your toe, one by one. Let every part of your muscle, let it loose and limp, let it completely go for relaxation mode. You're doing fantastic job, guys. In a minute, I'm going to take you for an imaginary journey. During that time, if you felt any physical touches or taps in your body, I want you to remember each and everything. Remember how many times do you feel the touches or taps? Remember which part of your body do you feel the touch or tap in your body. I want you to remember everything. Remember how many times and which part of your body, everything in your mind. Imagine you both are standing in front of the mirror and watching your face from the top of your face to the bottom of your toe, one by one. That time I want you to remember everything. If you feel the tap, put your left hand up. Point the shoulder where you feel the tap. Point the shoulder where you feel the tap. Indicate how many times you felt the tap. Put your hands down. You're doing fantastic. One more time. Since there's a confusion going on, I want you guys to show it one more time. If you felt the tap, put your left hand higher, please. Point the shoulder where you felt the tap. Indicate how many times do you felt the tap. Put your hands down. You're doing fantastic job. In a minute, I'm going to say 3, 2, 1. When I say 1, open your eyes slowly. When you open your eyes, you're going to get a big round of applause because you did a fantastic job, both of you. 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes, please. You felt the touches and taps, right? Yeah, I never even touched you. I touched the baby boy. Really, why should I lie? It's my job. You can see, see all the audience, they're watching you, and some people are taking the video too. Thank you. Give them a big round of applause for this. Thank you. They did a fantastic job. Okay, that's not my department. Okay, come on, give a big round of applause for everybody guys who joined on stage right there. You can stand next to this guy.
Manoj didn't just perform tricks, he created moments. Moments that made us laugh, gasp, and lean in just a little closer. That's the kind of magic that sticks with you for a long time after the cruise ends. If you enjoyed this little slice of wonder, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to LaPorte Adventures, and drop a comment down below. And hey, if you're ever on a Carnival Celebration, keep your eyes peeled for Manoj. Until next time, get out and explore. And for more travel tales, family fun, and magical moments, head over to LaPorte Adventures on YouTube to see more.